Dear student, we are in our question number 11.6. The following is not an appropriate reaction for the preparation of tertiary butyl ethyl ether. Tertiary butyl ethyl ether. But what would be the major product of reaction? The reaction wrong જ છે તો true કયું છે? Actually sodium methoxide, this one is a strong base and it react with tertiary butyl chloride. Sodium with chlorine removes as a NaCl. This one strong base attacks on hydrogen of methyl group and hydrogen releases from there. So ethoxide with H ethanol removes and there should be double bond occurs. One bond remaining of this carbon, anoic bond and anoic bond. So it gives the actual product 2-methyl propene. 2-methyl propene, otherwise prop 1-ene as a major product. Why? A tertiary butyl માં અહીંથી ને halogen remove થાય એટલે tertiary carbocation આપશે with sodium NaCl remove થાય, but this is a strong base ethoxide. So in this case when we take a tertiary butyl halide, tertiary alkyl halide with sodium alkoxide, so it gives elimination, not substitution. આ elimination કહેવાય. અહીંથી ક્લોરીન અહીંથી H કંઈ એડ ના થાય, ક્લોરીન અને H રિમૂવ થાય અને ડબલ બોન્ડ occur થાય, એલિમિનેશન થાય છે. It is because sodium ethoxide is strong nucleophile as well as strong base. Thus elimination reaction predominant over substitution. એટલે કે આ રિએક્શનમાં ડોમિનન્ટ ઈ છે કે અહીંયા સબસ્ટિટ્યુશન નહીં થાય, એટલે અહીંથી ને ક્લોરીન જઈને OC2H5 નહીં આવે. ક્લિયર? Write is suitable reaction to prepare tertiary butyl ethyl ether. આ પ્રોડક્ટ બનાવી હોય તો our alcohol should be tertiary and alkyl halide should be primary. You can see here when we take tertiary sodium butoxide, react with ethyl chloride. So sodium with chlorine removes as a NaCl. Oxygen combines with ethyl. So tertiary butyl ethyl ether occurs. એટલે આપણે સોડિયમ ઇથોક્સાઇડ અને ટર્શરી બ્યુટાઇલ ક્લોરાઇડ લઈએ તો ઇથર નહીં મળે, એલિમિનેશન થઈ જાય કારણ કે સ્ટ્રોંગ બેઝ છે એટલે H+ રિપ્લેસ થઈ જાય. પણ જો સોડિયમ ટર્શરી બ્યુટોક્સાઇડ એન્ડ ઇથાઇલ ક્લોરાઇડ લઈએ તો એમાં સબસ્ટિટ્યુશન થાય અને ઇટ ગિવ્સ ઇથર. Now phenols are also converted to ether by this method. Williamson translation is used as phenoxide mostly. Phenol with NaOH gives you can see here is phenol which is a weak acid combines with base strong. So H from here and OH from here, water will be removed and gives sodium phenoxide. Sodium phenoxide reacting with alkyl halide, એટલે phenoxide ion alkyl halide માં halogen is partially negative, carbon is partially positive, so sodium with halogen gives sodium halide and there will be R, so it gives alkoxybenzene. Here, so this type of ether occurs. Phenol also gives ether. Oxygen in base side carbon hoy, it means ether. Whenever both ends side carbon are present with oxygen, which is gives ether. Now you can see some physical properties. Physical properties we are going to discuss. Now you can see the carbon oxygen bond in ether are polar and thus ether have a net dipole moment. The weak polarity of ether do not appreciably affect their boiling point, which are comparable to those of the alkanes of comparable molecular mass, but are much lower than the boiling point of alcohol as shown in figure. Following cases, when we take normal pentane, so hydrocarbon pentane is totally non-polar, C and H માં electronegativity difference is very less. So normal pentane is hydrocarbon which is non-polar. So it has only van der Waals attraction between two molecules. Then molecules વચ્ચે only van der Waals attraction હોય છે. So due to that boiling point is very less in Kelvin, 309.1. In the case of ethoxyethane, now 307.6 ethoxyethane, it has 307.6 less, but in the butane 1-ol which is highest, why this happens? Actually ether is polar, but polarity is very less, so it is not effective in boiling point. So boiling point is near about of hydrocarbon and ether having same molecular mass. આમનું molecular mass C5H12. Here 74. Molecular mass is near about of both. Here ether is slightly polar, molecular mass is near about, so boiling point is also near about. એટલે આના કરતા મોર પોલર છે, છતાં પોલારિટી એટલી બધી નથી કે બોઇલિંગ પોઈન્ટ ઉપર ઇફેક્ટ કરે. 309 ને 307 છે લગભગ નિયર અબાઉટ જ કહેવાય. બટ હાઈએસ્ટ ઓફ butane 1-ol what? In ethanol, in butane 1-ol, there is a hydrogen bonding. In butane 1-ol, there is a hydrogen bond between two molecules. boiling point is the highest of the alcohol. The large difference in boiling point of alcohol and ether is due to presence of hydrogen bonding in alcohol. Miscibility of ether with water resembles એટલે કે waterમાં etherની solubility resembles those of alcohol the same molecular mass. Both ethoxyethane and butane 1-ol are miscible to almost the same extent, 7.9 gram and 9 gram per 100 milli. When we take 100 milli water, so ethoxyethane, how much gram? 7.5 gram dissolved થાય. When we take 100 milli water, so 9 gram butane 1-ol dissolves. The ether વચ્ચે there is no hydrogen bond between ether, but ether forms hydrogen bond with water. ROR is ether. So positively charged hydrogen combines with lone pair of oxygen. Here also, so ether forms hydrogen bond. Ether વચ્ચે hydrogen bonding now, but ether forms hydrogen bond with water. So ether is miscible in water, and ethanol also, butane 1-ol also miscible in water. Both forms hydrogen bond. So alcohol is also forms hydrogen bond in water. So alcohol is miscible on solubility of slight more of alcohol than ether because of here 2 lone pair and 1 hydrogen. So 2 lone pair and 1 hydrogen forms hydrogen bond. Here only 2 lone pairs forms hydrogen bond. Here 2 hydrogen bond form by 1 molecule forms 3. So slight more miscibility respectively. While pentane is essential immiscible with water, જ્યારે pentane છે એ soluble નથી, which is non-polar. It has no attraction, no any kind of hydrogen bond forms with water. Can you explain this observation? Yes, sir. We discussed that. Pentane is non-polar, where water is polar. So both has no attraction toward each other. So pentane is immiscible. This is due to fact that just like alcohol, oxygen of ether can also form hydrogen bond with water molecule as shown. Now we are in reaction of ethers. In ether, cleavage of carbon oxygen bond in ethers. ઇથરમાં કાર્બન ઓક્સિજન વચ્ચેનો બોન્ડ તૂટે છે. ક્લીવેજ means breaking of carbon oxygen bond. Ether are the least reactive of the functional groups. Least reactive ethers are of the functional group. The ether functional group હોય એ compounds less reactive હોય છે. The cleavage of carbon oxygen bond in ether take place under drastic condition with excess of hydrogen halide. The reaction of dialkyl ether gives 2 alkyl halide molecules. You can see ether is the less reactive. Polarity is less. Bond between polarity less છે. There is a covalent bond between carbon oxygen. So bond is stronger. We can't break easily that bond. So in drastic condition, એટલે કે high concentrated solution લેવું પડે, excess value લેવી પડે. So it gives two alkyl halide. So when we take ether with halogen acid, here bond breaks. So R with X, O minus plus, plus with minus, and minus with plus. So it gives alcohol plus Rx, haloalkane. But here HX is taken more. So occurred alcohol react with another molecules of HX. So here OH with H removes as a H2O. R with X gives a haloalkane. So 2 mole of haloalkane occurs 1 and 2. પહેલા બોન્ડ બ્રેક થાય RO with H alcohol and RX. Now occurred alcohol combining with HX, OH and H removes as H2O, R with X as a RX. 2 mole of haloalkane occurs. Now alkyl aryl ether are cleaved at the alkyl oxygen bond due to the more stable aryl oxygen bond. This is actually this type, this is alkyl group, this is aryl group. Cleavage occurs here. Why? Bond between benzene ring and oxygen is stronger, very difficult to break up. આ bond ને break કરવો મુશ્કેલ છે. There is a double bond behavior and resonating structure. This one has a sp2 hybridization. Bond length is short, so this bond easily cleaves. After breaking the bond, RO minus R plus, H plus X minus, R with X gives haloalkane. Now phenoxide combines with hydrogen gives phenol. Alkyl aryl ether are cleaved at the alkyl oxygen bond. Alkyl oxygen bond break થાય. Carbon oxygen of the benzene ring વાળો aryl નો carbon and oxygen bond break ના થાય. More stable છે. Aryl oxygen bond. Aryl group and oxygen bond is more strong. The reaction yield the product maximum phenol and alkyl halide આપે છે. I am giving you example for that. Suppose methoxybenzene, methyl phenyl ether is taken. Reaction with HCl. Methyl with chlorine gives chloromethane, and a benzene ring gives OH. Phenol occurs if ethoxybenzene is taken. Reaction with HCl. Ethyl with chlorine gives chloroethane, and benzene ring combines with H here, so it gives phenol. Ether with two different alkyl groups are also cleaved in the same manner. If two alkyl groups are given, R, O, R dash. R and R dash mean two different alkyl group combining with halogen acid. So here R with X gives Rx, R dash with O means ROH. I am giving you example. In the case of methyl ethyl ether with HCl, from which side bond breaks? I repeat question. Yes, tell me. Here is one carbon. Both sided carbon is partially positive. But this carbon is less positive due to methyl group there. Some આ બોન્ડની પોલારિટી લેસ છે, પોલારિટી લેસ એટલે બ્રેકિંગ ડિફિકલ્ટ થાય. અહીંયા પોલારિટી મોર છે, સો મિથાઇલ એટલે જે સાઈડ લેસ હાઇડ્રોકાર્બન હોય ને ત્યાંથી બ્રેક થાય. સો ફ્રોમ હિયર methyl with chlorine gives chloromethane. Now ethoxy with hydrogen gives ethanol. Now which type of acid react fast with ether? In HCl, chlorine is small in size, here bromine is big in size, and in HI, iodine is more in size. With increasing in size, bond length increase થાય એટલે HCl કરતા HBr કરતા HI નું ક્લીવેજ સરળ હોય છે. So HCl કરતા HBr કરતા HI react faster. The cleavage of ether take place with concentrated HI or HBr at high temperature. Now mechanism. Reaction of an ether you can see with concentrated HI, hydroiodic acid. When we take a concentrated hydroiodic acid with the ethyl methyl ether, here is ethyl methyl ether, 2 lone pair on oxygen. In HI, hydrogen is the partially positive polar છે એટલે આ ઇલેક્ટ્રોન આયોડિન તરફ હોય, આ partially negative, partially positive. So lone pair of oxygen attacks on hydrogen atom. So it gives protonated ether. H plus having ether આની vacant orbital છે, એમાં donate કરે એટલે gain કરીને neutral થાય. ફોર્મલ ચાર્જ મેં કીધું કોઓર્ડિનેટ કોવેલેન્ટ બોન્ડ ફોર્મ થાય એટલે ન્યુટ્રલ થઈ જાય તો આ ડોનેટ કરીને પાર્શિયલી પોઝિટિવ ચાર્જ થાય and iodine removes them. The reaction of ether with concentrated HI start with the protonation of ether એટલે protonated ether કહેવાય. This is ether, proton having ether means protonated. H plus having means a protonated ether molecules occurs. The reaction take place with HBr or HI because these reagents are sufficiently acidic. HF करता HCl, HCl करता HBr, HBr करता HI. So HBr HI is more acidic કારણ કે આમાંથી H અને F નો બોન્ડ સ્ટ્રોંગ હોય. H plus નો રિલીઝિંગ નેચર આ બેનું વધારે, એસિડિક નેચર આ બેનું વધારે છે. So in first step protonated ether occurs. Understood? When ether comes contact with the HI, protonated ether occurs. Iodide ion is a good nucleophile. Yes, occurred iodide ion. Now iodide ion has 7 electron and negatively charged nucleophile. એટલે positive charge carbon ઉપર attack કરે, which is nucleophile. It attacks the least substituent carbon of the oxonium ion. This is oxonium ion. આ બાજુ less substituent છે, આ બાજુ more છે, એટલે જે બાજુ ઓછા કાર્બન હોય એના ઉપર attack કરશે. This carbon partially positive, so nucleus. This is nucleophile attacks એટલે આ બાજુ more hydrogen, more carbon, આ બાજુ less, એના ઉપર attack કરે. Reason for that આ positive charge, આ more positive charge હોય કારણ કે આની ઉપર એક ડોનર આવી જાય. O અને C નો બોન્ડ પોલર છે, but methyl is donor એટલે આનો positive charge less હોય, આ more એટલે iodine attacks છે. એટલે શું યાદ રાખવાનું, જે બાજુ less હાઇડ્રોકાર્બન હોય, ઓછા કાર્બન વાળું ગ્રુપ હોય ત્યાં એટેક કરશે. Iodide is a good nucleophile. It attacks the least substituent carbon of the oxonium ion. એટલે ઓક્સોનિયમ આયનના ઓછા કાર્બન વાળા ગ્રુપ ઉપર એટેક કરશે. found in first step and displace an alcohol molecule by SN2 mechanism. SN2 એટલે one step માં occur થાય. Reaction occurs in one step. Means second order reaction. They combinedly react કરે તો જ reaction થાય. In the cleavage of mixed ether with two different alkyl group, the alcohol and alkyl iodide formed depends on the nature of alkyl group. First of all, iodide is attacking here on methyl group. Here bond અહીંથી break નો start થાય, અહીંથી form થાય. The CH3I removes અહીંયા bond છે ને bond નો formation start થાય, અહીંયા breaking start થાય. So it gives ethanol and iodomethane. When primary or secondary alkyl group are present, it is the lower alkyl group that forms alkyl iodide by SN2 reaction. When primary or secondary alkyl group are present, it is the lower alkyl group that forms alkyl iodide. તો જે lower હોય alkyl group એમાં iodide enter થશે. એટલે આ મોર છે, 2 કાર્બન વાળું, આ લેસ, એમાં alkyl group એડ થશે. When HI is in excess, the reaction is carried out at high temperature. So taken hydrochloric acid is more and reaction like સમજાઈ ગયું ને, iodide is combining with methyl. એટલે bond ના formation ની શરૂઆત થઈ અને breaking. અને breaking થઈ જાય એટલે 2 ઇલેક્ટ્રોન અહીં ચાલ્યા જશે અને CH3I and ethanol completely appear. If HI is more excess and temperature is high, so further reaction occurs. Occurred ethanol. If HI is less, then reaction will be stopped here. If HI is in excess, વધારે છે, so the occurred ethanol once again react with HI. So lone pair of oxygen attacks on hydrogen. And here iodide removes, it gives protonated alcohol, oxonium ion, ethyl oxonium ion occurs. Now once again iodide attacks on this carbon, not this carbon, here. આના કરતા વધારે ઓક્સિજન સાથે અટેચ છે, more positive charge હોય, so attacks on here and OH2 will be removed from there. CH2 OH2 is oxonium, otherwise protonated ethanol. So iodine attacks not here, here. Oxygen સાથે connected હોય, more positive, એના ઉપર attack કરશે. અહીંથી ને H2 remove થાય, iodine combine થાય. So 1 mole here, 1 mole methyl iodide and 1 mole ethyl iodide occurs there. This is the mechanism. However, one of the alkyl group is a tertiary group. The halide form is tertiary halide. Why? When one of the alkyl group is tertiary, the halide form is a tertiary halide. Why? Reason for that, in the tertiary oxygen here combined with tertiary carbon, this one primary. So when reaction with HI, so when bond breaks here, so this one is primary carbocation, તો આવું થાય. એ highly unstable છે. If cleavage occurs here, then carbocation is more stable. So અહીંથી cleavage થાય, કારણ કે અહીંથી cleavage થાય પછી આ carbocation stable હોવો જોઈએ, અહીંથી cleavage થાય તો unstable છે. So bond cleavage occurs here. And now methyl with iodine. Tertiary butyl iodide occurs and methoxy group with hydrogen gives methanol. It is because in the step second of the reaction, the departure of leaving group is more stable, gives carbocation. આમાંથી CH3O જાય તમે સમજાવી દીધું. Tertiary carbocation occurs more stable and the reactions follows SN1 mechanism. એટલે બે સ્ટેપમાંથી જાય. SN1 means reaction occurs in two steps. In the first step, carbocation occurs. Hydrogen is combining here. So CH3OH removes and carbocation occurs. Now iodide of Hi attacks on carbocation and a vacant orbital unfilled, and there should be bond occurs. Tertiary butyl iodide gives. When one side is tertiary alkyl group and one side is primary, so iodine combines with tertiary carbon due to more stability. In the case of anisole, methyl oxonium ion is formed by preparation of ether. The bond between OCH3 is weaker than bond between OC6H5. The carbon and phenol could sp2 hybridized and there. So you can see in the anisole means methoxybenzene reaction with Hi. Here this bond is strong, અહીંથી break થાય. While this carbon is sp2 hybridized, it has a great attraction toward oxygen, partial double bond behavior here. So therefore attacks by iodide ion breaks OCH3 bond and methyl forms methyl iodide. So આ bond અહીંથી break થાય. આ bond possible નથી. CH3 with I gives iodomethane. H combines there, it gives phenol. When we take phenitol, anisole then phenitol, ethoxybenzene is reacting with Hi. So bond અહીંથી break થાય with iodine, gives iodoethane, and benzene ring with OH, O with H gives phenol. Therefore the attack by iodide ion on OCH3 bond to form CH3I, એટલે આ bond break થાય O અને CH3. Phenols do not react with further to give halide because sp2 hybridized carbon of phenol cannot undergo nucleophilic. પછી જો excess Hi હોય તો આની સાથે react નહીં થાય like other ethers, કારણ કે આ bond એકદમ strong છે એટલે બેન્ઝીન સાથે આયોડિન જોડાય નહીં. For conversion of the halide. Now we will meet in our next lecture. Till then, bye.